What is a Master of Library and Information Science, MLIS, degree? A Master of Library and Information Science, MLIS, degree prepares students for careers in the world of information services. Information specialists work in libraries, of course, as well as healthcare organizations, hospitals and research facilities, corporate and government offices, specialized libraries, museums, and other cultural institutions. How long does it take to earn a Master of Library and Information Science degree? It takes about 2 years of full-time study to earn an MLIS degree from an ALA-accredited college. Part-time students complete their MLIS coursework in 3 or more years. What is the MLIS curriculum? The American Library Association establishes the standards and guidelines for programs offering degree programs in library and information science. Core education competencies taught in MLIS programs include information resources, organization of recorded knowledge and information, technological knowledge and skills, reference and user services, research, continuing education and lifelong learning, administration and management. The curriculum at the university level and features courses on information behavior, design methods for librarianship, concepts, services, and issues for information professionals, organization of information and resources, research, assessment, and design, management of information organizations, information technology, ethics, MLIS specialization. MLIS graduate students typically integrate specialized courses into their coursework to gain expertise in specific areas that support their career goals. Specialization options include information literacy and instruction, data librarianship and management, information architecture, introduction to spatial thinking and GIS, academic libraries, archives and records management, child and youth services, digital libraries,